Are you looking for an inclusive fitness solution tailored to those with autism and other diverse learners? Well, you've come to the right place. Exercise is for everyone, but traditional fitness programs often overlook different learning styles and sensory needs. That's where Exercise Buddy comes in. Our innovative and research-supported tablet-based app makes fitness accessible and enjoyable for individuals across the autism spectrum and beyond. Exercise Buddy empowers educators, therapists, and fitness professionals with comprehensive tools to create structured, visually supported exercise programs that promote engagement and deliver results. Let's start with our account dashboard. This can be accessed by signing in at register.exercisebuddy.com/login. This web-based platform offers management tools like account settings and license management. The user data section provides insights into each profile's average usage time. You'll also find an assessment section for creating custom assessments and monitoring performance, which we will explore later. Within Exercise Buddy, creating and managing individual profiles is simple. Each profile can be customized with individual workouts and assessments, ensuring a personalized experience. Our visual exercise library is the heart of Exercise Buddy. It offers hundreds of exercises and video models. This supports various learning styles and lets users engage with content in ways that work best for them. You can even add your own custom visuals and video models. Creating a custom workout is effortless using our visual schedules. You can select a first-then board, start-finish board, or circuit routine. Select exercises from the library, set repetitions or time, and arrange them in the desired sequence. Once a workout is created, users can easily follow along with the visual guides and video demonstrations. Each exercise is presented step by step, making it simple to understand and perform. Users can also track their progress in real time, allowing them to see their achievements. Tracking progress boosts motivation and self-awareness. Users can view completed workouts and monitor improvements over time. Share these reports with the individual, IEP team, or caregivers for collaboration. Provide consistent access to accommodations and visual supports during assessments with our versatile assessment tool.
Jump as far as you can. Ready? Go. Great job.
You can create custom assessments tailored to each user's learning targets, allowing professionals to design evaluations that measure specific skills or track progress over time. Set criteria, monitor results, and generate detailed reports to inform future instruction. Exercise Buddy also includes a range of teaching tools designed to enhance the learning experience, like social narratives. These tools provide supplemental resources to facilitate instruction and engagement while enhancing physical literacy. Exercise Buddy supports an inclusive exercise environment with tailored visual supports, structured materials, and customizable workouts. Our evidence-based, research-supported system enhances engagement and delivers results for individuals with diverse needs. It's what we like to call making the exercise connection. Are you ready to explore how Exercise Buddy can enhance your program? Start your free trial today at exercisebuddy.com and discover new ways to support diverse movement and learning. It's always easier to exercise with a buddy.